Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri this side, and today in this video I am going to be doing a glass skin makeup tutorial. So basically I've done a lot of research, and while doing the research I found out that skincare prepping is very important because it's all about the luminosity of the skin, how to make it look more luminous and glowy. So in order to achieve the luminosity and the glass skin makeup look, we're going to focus more on skincare prepping, more on a luminous skin foundation base, which is going to be more of a glowy wet kind of a look. So in order to achieve the luminosity, I will be focusing more on using the cream base makeup products like cream blush, cream highlighters, and more on the cream liquid highlighters, which I'm going to mix with the foundation in order to achieve that luminous base for that glass skin makeup look. So I've already washed my face, and now I will be applying the sheet mask in order to just prep my skin and give that extra moisture boost. So I'll be first slapping on a sheet mask. So I'll be using this rose sheet mask by It's Skin. It's one of my favorite from It's Skin brand. So I'll be first slapping this on. So I'll leave this on for 10-15 minutes and then I'll come right back. And please excuse the background noise because my cat is playing with her toy, so you know she's kind of making that sound because of her belt, because she's moving a lot right now, and I just want to keep her occupied while mommy works over here filming this tutorial for you guys. So now after the mask, my face feels very moisturized. So now I will start with this primer. This is the NYX Total Control Primer, and I'll be applying this only around the areas where I'll be applying the concealer. Now I'll be doing my eyebrows, and I'm using the Innisfree eyebrow pencil. First I like to do my eyebrows, and then I will start with the base. So for the base, I'll be mixing these two up. So I'll be mixing the Faces Canada Second Skin Foundation and this new product that I recently purchased from the Body Shop. It's the Drops of Glow highlighter, liquid highlighter, and this one is one of the best sellers. This was in my wish list for a very long time, and this is my first makeup product that I purchased of 2019. So yeah, I'll be mixing these two up together to create a nice sheer glowy base. So I've mixed the foundation and the liquid highlighter by the Body Shop, and now I'm just going to apply this, and I'll use a beauty sponge for blending out this glowy base that I've created. So I'll be using the Wiseshe Makeup Beauty Sponge, which I have been really loving. And now I'll be applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And now I'll be applying some powder around my under eyes and my on the chin area as well. So I'll be using the NYX Hydra Touch foundation. It's the powder foundation powder. So as you can see, I really love this powder. I highly recommend you guys to try this out during the summer. Also, I just like to wear this with concealer and no foundation. It has a nice coverage. So just for the under eyes, only around the under eyes, not all over the face. For the cream highlighter, I'll be using Hush by MAC. And this is a great highlighter. I've been using this. I have it since more than a year now and I really like this product. So I just like to warm it up with my pinky finger or my actual ring finger. Just like to warm it up over here, and then I just like to dab it. Don't drag it, but just dab. And as you can see the difference, here I haven't applied it and here I've applied it. So you can see the natural shine I'm getting. And now I'm applying the Bobbi Brown Cream Blush. It's in a powder pink shade. And I'm going to slowly build up the color. I'm getting that natural dewy look. The cream blush is really helping with that. And now I'm going to move on to the eye makeup. So for the eyes, I will be trying out the Lid Lingerie by NYX Cosmetics for the first time. And this one is in shade LIDLI. And now I'll be applying some winged eyeliner using the KIKO MILANO waterproof liquid eyeliner. So I'm done with my liquid eyeliner, and now I'll be applying some mascara and then some falsies. So I'll be first using the Bad Gal Bad Mascara by Benefit. So now, as you can see, my eye makeup is almost done. I will now apply this lip color by NYX. It's called Simply Red Lip Crayon, and this has more of a glossy finish. So now I have blotted my lips, and as you can see, it gives a very nice natural lip tint. So now I'm going to be again using the Body Shop Drops of Light liquid highlighter onto my lips a little bit, just to give that nice glowy lips, tinted lips look. So guys, I hope you all like this glass skin makeup look that I've tried to create for you all. So this is my version of the glass skin. For me, I feel a glass skin makeup look is to make sure that the base makeup is as natural as possible, and it's all about the natural glow. So I focused more on prepping up the skin, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And yeah, as you can see, I focus more on putting cream blushes, highlighters and liquid illuminator. So as you can see, I'm really loving the Body Shop Drops of Light liquid highlighter. I really like that it's giving that very natural glow, so I really like that. And yeah, the eye makeup is it's more on the glam side, to be honest. I feel I messed up with the eye makeup by making it look very glam, so next time I will try to make it look as natural as possible. So yeah, I hope you like it. And what else? So yeah, I tried not to use the powdered highlighter for this makeup look because I felt that I wanted the glow to come as natural as possible for this glass skin makeup tutorial. So I skipped on the highlighter powder so that it doesn't look fake, you know. So yeah, I hope you all like this makeup look. I'm really loving it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.